Hi guys, Blaine here from Spinning and Winning Slots. Just sat down at the high stakes lightning link game. This is what we're playing for. We got a $15,000 grand. This was $17,700 and some the other night. I've got a maxed out major. I've got a $50 minor and a $10 mini. I went from playing a couple 5-cent bets to going down to 50 cents. I was going to step it up and kind of do a stair step. Hit the briefcase bonus right off the bat. So let's hopefully get that hold and spin and watch that major drop in on a chip or something. You never know. Let's go for a little ride and take an adventure. Here we go, guys. We're spinning and winning. Okay, we got wild. Alright, we got some queens, we got some showgirls, we got some nines. That'll add up a little bit. Rather have this at a little higher denom, but you know, you take what you get when you're spinning and winning. You know, this is the very first machine I've sat down at and hit right off the bat within $5. So we're back to even money already. So let's make some profit. Here we go. Let's see if the welcome to Las Vegas sign will spin out of here and get us spinning and winning. I was here Monday night. Every one of these machines was $800 plus. This is the only one I see that's maxed out now. Everything else has went in the last probably 6 hours. Alright, is this thing going? There we go. Come on, hit it. Nope, nothing. Come on. Oh, we got jack. Alright, a little bit. Keeps us spinning. Alright, come on. We got 3 games left. Let's make this epic. Drop that major down here. Can't happen. I've seen it done before. Alright, here we go. Oop. That was a pretty good sized chip that went by. Come on, hit it. Come on, last game. Let's do this. Okay, guys. Kind of the bonus bummer here. Take a couple backup spins, see what we get. Ooh, close. No cigar. We had 5 out of the 6 we needed. Ooh, 12 cents. That will buy me lunch in 1961. And not a very good lunch. Alright. Wow, we've about depleted our funds for what we won on the bonus already. Come on. There we go, guys. Little Van City Fast Tap for you. Hold and spin. Not very big numbers there, but you know, we'll take it. Again, we're spinning and winning. Come on, drop that major in here. Or a minor. A couple minis will work. I don't care. Fill it up. We'll take the grand. Well, alright. 1 left. There we go. Ooh, alright. Like I said, we'll take minis all day long. I don't mind $10 a hit. No. Here we go. Nope. All right, guys. Yeah, that's not bad. Considering we just came out of that spin, so not big bucks, but we're low rolling. There we go. Here's 15 bucks, and we got us a coin show. There we go. Don't forget to be hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you're smashing that thumbs up. Alright, guys, gonna help us along. Here we go. Alright, come on. See if we can't do something off of this. There we go. A little bit of showgirls, some jacks and nines. That out 220. There we go. Okay, those are the kind of numbers we needed. Well, that, oh, there we go, guys. Briefcase bonus. This thing's hot. It's just going to keep bonusing. That's 3 in 5 minutes. So let's go. Sorry if it's a little shaky. I need to move the stool back, and I'm being hit with another chair off to the side. And nobody even says, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. All right, come on. Let's do this. Oh, got a little bit of cars. Well, not the best symbol on the board. So let's get that adding up. Okay, not much, but let's go. There we go. Come on, Chip. Or showgirl with nothing with it. Oh, showgirl again with nothing with it. Okay, I'm over the showgirl. Come on. Hey, bonus bummer, guys. Let's go. Oh, nice $10 chip sitting up there. Okay, another fast tap. Nope, nothing. Let's go up to $1. Come on, hit it. There we go, guys. Stepped it up to $1, and we got some numbers there. Now we're doing a little more spinning and winning. So we got 3, 4, 5, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15. 20 bucks sitting there. All right, that's the way we do it. Let's hit it. I don't know. I'm liking that Van City fast tap with this machine. Seems to be working good. Okay, keep those coming. Let's drop that major down here now. $1,000, guys. Come on. Put me short of a hand pay. Oh, saw the minor go by. Come on, last spin. Oh, all right, that saved us. We got 3 spaces. Drop a major in it. Okay, I'll take a mini even. Okay, $1. All right, now let's get the major. Or the mini that just went by. Come on. Drop it. Oh, and minor went by. Get something here. Is this a lot? Oh my God, guys. Here we go. We got 14. The grand is 15,182. Major's 1,000. Let's do this. Drop that major in there and let's go home with 16,000 in the pocket. Come on. Somebody's got to hit this, and they just did it. 17,000. Come on. Oh. All right, guys. Let's see what we got here. Gonna end up a little better this time because we're playing $1. Still not huge $1, but you know what? Coin show. You know, sometimes you just got to keep playing these machines. As I said, this is our 4th bonus in, my God, 7 minutes? 8 minutes. Yep, 8 minutes and 22 seconds on the clock right now. So let's help this along. Don't forget to be hitting that subscribe button. Let's see what else we got. Yep, we got 8.5 minutes in on this one. All right, let's take a couple other backup spins. Let's do another fast tap. Nope. Okay, let's do this. Let's go up to $1.50. There we go, guys. A little bit of card. Yeah, $4.50. Let's do another one. Oh, thought maybe we're going to get the briefcase. Nope. Okay, let's go back down to $1. Go back to 50 cents. A little bit, maybe enough for one more spin. There we go. Yep, guys, I'm going to call this good. We're cashing out. We made $25 profit. We doubled our money. That's spinning and winning. Thanks for coming along for the adventure. Cheers.